Hi everyone. Today we are working on making some paper puppets from folded pieces of paper. This is what the folded piece of paper looks like before we put a face on it. And we start with a regular 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper. And to fold it, I first fold 1/3 lengthwise. Then I'm going to fold it again. And you can see there's an edge, an outer edge, and then a smooth side. And what I'm going to do now, heading in this direction, is to fold in the middle with that raw edge outside, like this. And then I fold these edges back up to meet the TP top. And again on the other side. And that gives me a folded piece of paper in which I can stick my fingers in to hold and make a puppet. Then to make a face on it, we need some eyes. So you could use buttons or you could just draw them on. I'm going to use these little stickers and put some eyes on. And we probably want a nose. I'm going to use, again, you could use buttons or you could draw it on. I'm going to use a foamy piece and some glue. And I'm going to put the glue where I want the foam to stick. So, of course, glue is going to take a little bit of time to dry. Another thing I like to put on the puppets are some teeth. So since this internal place right here is the mouth, I'm putting the teeth inside on the upper edge. So I cut out of white paper some teeth. I'm going to put some glue on the edge. And then I can put it like this. So now I've got a teeth, nose, eyes. I made a tongue, but you can put whatever you want for a face. So these are just ideas. You can see with these other guys, there are all kinds of different things going on. This one's got a star for a nose and beads for an eye and some feathers for eyelashes. This has cut paper for hair and buttons for eyes. This one has foamy teeth on it. And I'm going to put, on this one, I'm going to put a pink tongue inside. So I need some glue to hold my tongue in place. And then I'll just press it in there. So again, the glue is going to need to dry, but you can see where we're headed here. And maybe as a final touch on this one, I'll put feathers for hair. This might be a little trickier because, again, glue's going to dry. I'll put some glue on. Stick some feathers on and have a little puppet. And when it's all dried and you want to play with it, you can start having little conversations with other puppets or other people. You make little stories and give them names and personalities. And that's it.